G'day guys, Mick here. Bit of a Sunday bonus for you. It is Sunday, it's getting uploaded when I get home, this video. So, no delay on this one. Guess you could call it a 5-minute yarn, but whatever. I just wanted to have a quick discussion with you guys, or a quick chat with you about mental health, and in particular mental health in lockdown. I've been seeing a lot of stuff lately about people with their depression and anxieties and things like that getting worse and worse during lockdown. Especially those of us that use camping and forward driving in the bloody sun flare and the outdoors as part of our release and part of our therapy, like I do. Look guys, there's no doubt in my mind at all that mental health issues, when you're locked indoors in particular, you can't go and do things and you lose your freedoms like we have. There's no doubt in my mind that mental health goes crazy. I personally, as you already know, suffer from depression, and for the most part I've had it under control. But last year when COVID first broke out and we first came into the first round of lockdowns here in Australia, I started doing my morning walk, which I'm on now, and that was because I was finding I was struggling mentally. I needed to get outdoors. I couldn't go camping, I couldn't go forward driving, I couldn't really go hiking, things like that. Still allowed to do a bit of exercise. So I opted to start doing a morning walk around the lake and get some exercise. And to be honest, you can be surprised how much that can help. It's a 20-minute walk, half an hour walk. For the most part I avoid other people. There are a few others that come along the track, but for the most part I avoid other people. I keep my distance, I wear a mask where I need to. But it makes a world of difference to my mental health. If I was stuck inside all day, guys, I'd be going absolutely crazy. Come on for a little walk along the lake. It's going to be too bright behind me, so you're not going to see it, unfortunately. But looking out over Tuggerah Lake, seeing a beautiful lake. It's dead flat, it's like glass out there this morning, it's beautiful. You know, it just makes the absolute world of difference. So if you're, no matter where you are in Sydney or New South Wales, we're a statewide lockdown. If you're stuck at home, remember you can exercise, and a walk around the block is better than sitting indoors. Even if you're in a crap old town like Blacktown, or Marylands or Mount Druitt or something like that, a walk around the block, it's still exercise, and it's still going to do more for your mental health to help you than sitting inside all day is going to do. And don't get me wrong, I've been sitting inside way too much, but this walk it's not a cure-all. I do still have my moments, but it helps a hell of a lot. So yeah guys, look, I'm not saying to break lockdown. We are in a situation, those of you in the major cities in Sydney and that, like Blacktown, that are going crazy with COVID at the moment, definitely not telling you to break lockdown. But a walk or a bike ride, a jog, you know, in your local government area, again, even if it's around the block or down around a little local park or something, you know, it can make a world of difference for your mental health, guys. So remember, if you are going to head out on a walk or whatever, do the right thing, wear a mask where applicable. Obviously if you're riding a bike or jogging, you won't be. You can hear me puffing a little bit now, and that's why I'm not wearing a mask, but where I have to, I will. It is in my pocket. So yeah guys, again, not telling you to break lockdown, but where you can still go get some exercise, go for a walk around the block, go to a local park and walk around that. Something, guys. And yeah, just again, follow the rules, keep your distance, wear your mask. And I guess I'll jump on the bandwagon and I'll say what everyone else is saying and what a lot of us are sick of hearing. Go get your jab. I'm fully vaccinated now. I'm not picking up phone calls yet. You know, I'm still alive. So, alright guys, I'm going to cut it and just enjoy the rest of my walk. Take care, peace, and I'll see you on the tracks.